This is Byron Gordon for the SES Conference Channel. We are at SES Chicago. It is day one, and we're talking to Phil Moy of Google. Phil, you came out, or rather Google has come out with a big announcement today, which you shared with the audience. Maybe you could share that with our YouTube audience.
Sure, definitely. So Google Analytics recently, in October, in the eMetrics show, announced a new update to Google Analytics. And today we're doing a follow-up announcement about some additional features that we call the holiday bonus launch. So what these features include a annotation feature that is a complement to our intelligence launch earlier in October. So in October, we announced Google Analytics Intelligence that have automated alerts, custom alerts. And so today, we are announcing the availability of annotations, which in some circles, people call it tribal intelligence, because we are allowing a tribe to share their organizational know-hows, organizational milestones, so that people can have a context for analyzing their data. The second announcement that we made today is the availability of custom variables, multiple custom variables that you can segment, that you can create custom reports on, so that you can look at your data in exactly the way and in exactly the profiles that you would like to look at your data in. And so this is a very powerful set of features that previously many people need to pay a lot of money for. And as of this week, Google Analytics is making available for all of our users this week. And then the third announcement that we made today is the availability of a new version of our Google Analytics external API. And so what this API provides is, which there is a follow-up announcement later on this week with more details just around this new version of the API. With this new API, people are able to create advanced segments in a programmatic way. They're able to query for more than 50 new additional metrics that we're making available through the API. But like I said, more details will be coming out later this week about this feature. And then lastly, many customers tell us that the hardest part of analytics is to do the installation of analytics tags correctly. And so today, or this week, we are making available a wizard, a tracking code wizard, that by clicking a few checkboxes or radio buttons, you're able to customize your tracking code for either multiple domain tracking, subdomain tracking, or server-side mobile tracking. And so those are the four main features that we are announcing at SES today.
And how long have these been in the works? What was the genesis behind all of these new innovations coming out with Google Analytics?
Yeah, in Google Analytics, we are constantly innovating. As I mentioned in the talk earlier today, almost like clockwork. Every year, we announce a bunch of new features. And so with the SES launch today, we're continuing that tradition. So I suspect we will have more announcements coming up in the coming year. And the key point for us is we are moving what used to be very advanced analytics to make them available to the masses. Previously, you need to pay millions of dollars for these features, and now you can get them with a free tool such as Google Analytics.
And will these be made available via download when people who are already using analytics, it'll automatically update, or how is that going to be handled?
Yeah, so Google Analytics is a hosted tracking solution, as in all the more modern analytics tracking solutions. So when you log into your Analytics Next, such as later on this week, you will see these new features.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us this announcement, Phil.
You're welcome. Thank you for interviewing me.
And there's more to come here at SES Chicago. Stay tuned for more.